In this video, I'll show you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting code. Joining a meeting with a code is quick and useful, especially if someone shares the code instead of a meeting link. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams on your computer or mobile device and make sure you're signed into your account. From the left-hand menu, click on Calendar. At the top of the calendar page, look for the option that says Join with an ID or Enter a code. Click on it. Next, you'll see a field where you can enter the meeting code. Type or paste the code exactly as it was shared with you. After entering the code, click Join Meeting. You may be asked to choose your audio and video settings before entering the meeting. Once everything is set, click Join Now, and you'll be connected to the meeting. And that's it. You've successfully joined a Microsoft Teams meeting using a meeting code. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.